Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about this one particular stock right here. Is another energy play. OGE is the stock that I think is primed to continue to go up in price. Now, I'm going to show you off of the price chart as to what could be the cause and what could actually limit the ability of seeing the stock go up. And then we're going to also make some adjustments to our simulated portfolio because yesterday or the day before we saw Tesla crash and then Ford stock also crash. So we're going to have to get rid of those stocks within our simulated portfolio and just look at the other ones to determine if they also need to be removed or can we take those off at a profit as well and move on for the next play. All right, so let me do this. This is the stock right here, OGE Energy. First things first, this particular stock is currently trending. Okay, it is trending to the upside in price. You guys can see that as I created this trend line. Okay, so we got that. Cool. We can see that this particular stock is trending up. Next thing is zooming in on a chart. You can see here on the weekly time frame that this market definitely is showing some indications of bullishness, if that is a word. Specifically these weekly bars right here and then this one, those two bars is showing me that this particular stock is definitely maintaining the idea. It seems like the longer we go out in time off of the price chart, the stronger the market looks. Okay, here it is on the 3 weeks. Now we have a day and 9 hours left. This is where my analysis is going to be contingent upon. I want to see at the end of this 3-week price bar, once it prints the way that it looks now, I want to see it the way that it is now. I don't want to see it changed. I don't want to see the market close mid bar. I don't want to see it come all the way down here, because if it does, then that will cancel out my idea of looking for this stock to continue to go up. Same thing on the 5-weekly chart. This definitely looks pretty bullish on the 5-weekly time frame. Let me go ahead and show you the reasons why. This is a massive buy zone. This buy zone started all the way back in September 2023. Every time OGE came down to $32.50, it went up. And now the market currently is showing and is emphasizing that it wants to break away from that buy zone right here and then again on this current one. But it's not printed yet. This current 5-weekly price bar is not printed yet. So I want to wait, just like I said on the 3-weekly chart. I want to see this market close at the high of the bar, because if it does, it tells me that there's at least a little bit more gas in this stock's price to continue to go up. All right, so these are the reasons. Now let me show you the concern though. Okay, we got the area as to where buyers are. So we know where the buyers are. We need to figure out where are the sellers. Here's the sellers. Okay, that's going to be the problem right there. We may not have enough momentum to see the market break that zone. And if they do that, this would be my next concern. Okay. So we won't be surprised. We won't question and ask, well, why is OGE stock going down? Well, we can see the reason why. I'm giving you a heads up right now. That's the problem. So putting this on the daily chart, I want to clean this up a little bit better. Okay, so that would be our sell zone there, and that's pretty decent. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put this on our prediction. Looking for OGE to continue to go higher in price. Our first target is going to be either at the low or the high of this first sell zone. At the high, it gives us around like 3.5%. I know it's not a lot, but we need to at least know. We may want to jump ship right there around that particular price. And our second target is going to be up there around $40.50. That gives us like 7.5% market move there. Okay, now I'm seeing this idea off of the 3-weekly and the 5-weekly charts. So we have to at least give the market that much time to let this play out. Okay, and we don't want to see the market break this this trend line to the downside, because if it does, then we need to cancel out the idea of looking for this stock to continue to go up. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on this simulated portfolio. This is OGE Energy. The ticker is OGE. Today is the 25th. The price at close was $37.75. And the stock that we're going to cancel out is going to be Tesla. Okay, so we're going to sell this. The sell date was the 25th. And let's see what the price is in Tesla. The close. Market close at $215.99. Okay. And that is $370 loss right there. 14, almost 15% loss. Next one we're going to get rid of is going to be Ford. Okay, market currently down in pre-markets at $11.78. So $11.78. That's about 18% loss there. And we're going to get rid of that on the 25th. Okay, so we got rid of these two. Did not pan out well, these two particular positions, simulated positions, but we still have these remaining. We might want to get rid of IWM. This market currently is still holding pretty strong. Baba. I just want to go through this real quick. I'm not going to get rid of that yet. Let's go ahead and look at Newmont. Okay, starting out on a pre-market kind of weak. GDX. Same thing here. Gold look like it's having a little sell-off right now. Norwegian. Okay. So you guys could go ahead and go through this. We'll update it periodically to see what's really going on into the market for these stocks. And if anything changed, like if I want to take the profit on these stocks here, I'll update you all on that whenever that occurs on video. So yeah, that's what we have right now though. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.